Hi, welcome to TechHub.training for Excel VBA Purchase Order Creation Challenge Solution. Here we go. First of all, we're gonna open the solution, and here we're gonna first create a button so we can assign the macro, which gonna help us do the task. So somehow we have to create the code so that the user have to fill every single field, so none of this should be empty. And for the quantity and price, it should be a positive number which larger than 0. And also that it should be numeric value, so that means that it doesn't allow text or any other special character. Let's try this first. Okay, let's put Amazon laptop $100, and here should create this. Okay, Amazon laptop quantity, price, total, dates. So all of these have to populate in the respective column. Let's dive into the macro. So first of all, we have to create the user form. We can do that by clicking insert and then insert the user form here. One thing I have to tell you is that since you are creating this from 0, you have to learn how to use the label and the frame as well as the text box. That's gonna be the field that the user enter the value in. And for the label, that can be the vendor, or you can even create this big label. Lastly, there's a button over here. Yeah, command button. That should be for your you submit and cancel button. One thing that I also need to tell you is that there's a difference between the macro for the user form and the module. So this module, which is for assigning to the button in the actual sheet, so the user can um, type in the value and populate the data. So that's gonna have the load as well as the user form name. You have to show it and then like load it. So that's pretty much it. But when we click to the macro code for the form, the shortcut for this should be um, Fn and F7. So we're gonna try to code for each single button. So first it's gonna be cancel, click. That's just a simple load me, and then you're gonna try to assign the variables for your submit button, and then setting the working sheets to the sheet name PO, and then after that we're gonna try to make an if statement so that the user have to input all the fields, and also the field for the price and quantity have to be a positive number and numeric as well. Then we're gonna try to assign so that the quantity, price, and total, so we can later calculate them and then put them into the fields. This code, which in the suggestion and hint, this is the one that will help you move from one row to another, and I will show it later. Okay, and then after that, we just assigning the value of the text box. to the respective cells. After that, we're gonna try to clear out all of the text block value before we actually finish it. Okay, that's pretty much it. So I will go back to the actual code, actual sheets, I mean, and then just input another purchase order to see the importance of the suggestion code that I gave you. So let's put eBay iPad $390. Okay, so it will go the very next row below the one that have the data. Well, I hope you enjoyed the solution video. Stay tuned and goodbye.